Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating this beautiful Indian classic makeup look for any of the Indian weddings, functions. It just goes so well with absolutely any outfit, saris. And also I have created this look using makeup products under rupees 200, which is so great. And I'm going to be showing you all the steps in how I created this look. And also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more of such videos, and also hit the notification bell. So now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first product I'm going to be taking is the Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminator. Now this one is an illuminating primer, also makes your skin very glowy and beautiful, and your skin looks like as if it's glowing from within. I absolutely love this product and I would highly recommend you guys to check this one out. Again, this is only priced at rupees 199, but it's such a great one. So next I'm going to take the Pond's BB cream. Now one biggest mistake that I made was I took a lot of it. You're supposed to take a very slight amount of the BB cream, but yeah, me being me, I just took a lot of product and now my face looks so ghostly and so bad. But it's fine. Instead of removing the entire makeup and redoing it again, I decided to do some jugaad and fix this. So I'm taking the Inside Cosmetics concealer, and this one is it's a very warm toned concealer. As you guys can see, it has a lot of orange and yellow undertones to it. So I thought that this would kind of make my face a little bit on the warmer side that we want, because as of now my face looks so bad, so gray and so white. So let's just fix this. Now this concealer doesn't have a lot of coverage, so you definitely have to build this concealer up, but still it is a very sheer to medium sort of a coverage. So next I'm going to take this Swiss Beauty's concealer. Again guys, this one is again a very inexpensive product. It's only for 199 and it's so good. It blends so easily, and it performs so great, and it also has really good coverage. I would say it has around medium to buildable full coverage sort of a concealer, and I'm using the shade number 06 Claire Mauve. So they have around 6 shades as well to choose from, which is so great. I highly recommend this product. So next I'm gonna take the Blue Heaven Sapphire loose powder, and I'm gonna again just set my entire face. So next I'm gonna take the Lakme Radiance Compact Powder. Now this is again a very great product. It's very inexpensive, but it's very great. This just brightens my face a little bit, especially on the centers of my face. So for my eyebrows, I'm gonna take this Hilary Rhoda's eyebrow palette. I'm using the In Between shade, which is a gray tone color for my eyebrows. And the best part about this palette is it also comes with a brush and a spoolie. So yeah, I really like it. So next I'm gonna take the kajal. This is the Nykaa's Rocket Line Kajal, and I'm just gonna apply this on my inner corners and on my lids, just like as a liner. So you can be a little messy because I'm just gonna smudge this liner or this kajal. Always remember guys, whenever you're using a kajal, try to smudge your kajal. It just gives off that professional look instantly. So try this. I'm also going to take the same kajal and smudge it on my lower lash line as well. And then I'm gonna take this Colorfeel eyeshadow palette. This is a 6 color eyeshadow palette. I got this from Cuffs and Lashes. Again, it's super inexpensive. It's only for 150 rupees, and I'm gonna use this on my crease and on my outer eyelids. I'm just placing the product as of now. And next I took the brown shade from the same palette, and I'm just going to apply this on my liner, so it just gives off that ombre-ish kind of a look. And now I'm just blending the crease shade, so everything looks a little more blended and nice. And I'm gonna take the same shade on my lower lash line as well, so everything looks monochromatic. This one is a really good hack, you guys. I took the Lakme Radiance Compact Powder, and I'm just going to use it on my eyelids. This opens up your eyes, especially if you have hooded eyes. This is the best hack. It opens up your eyes, and it also kind of makes your eyes look a little bigger. And also, if you have not blended your eyeshadows well, this also helps in blending out them further and making them soft. So next I'm going to take this Gala of London eyeliner, and I'm just going to line my eyelids to just give some shape, especially on the inner corners like that. And next I'm gonna take the mascara. This is the mascara from Bella Voste. I purchased this from Purple, I guess, and it's such a nice mascara, but you have to apply around 3 to 4 coats to get that volume and length. But it's a really good one. It's very inexpensive as well. So lastly, I'm gonna take the Insight Cosmetics non-transfer proof liquid lipstick. Now these liquid lipsticks are super duper inexpensive. They're just for rupees 65, I guess, and it's so good, it's so comfortable on the lips, and it's so long lasting. I absolutely love it. And what I'm doing here is, again, this is another hack. I'm just gonna tap my finger like that on my lips, and I'm going to use that excess product as a blush. Now this is again a really good hack, especially if you don't have blush, as I today, I didn't find any good blushes under rupees 200. So that's why I thought of doing this, and it worked out so brilliantly. You can just blend it with your finger, or you can use a brush like I am doing, and I'm just gonna further tap my brush on my lips and take the product and use it on my face. Now as you guys can see, the blush looks a little too much, so to just mute it down a little bit, I'm gonna again go back to my Lakme compact powder, and I'm just going to apply it all over my face. So this just brightens my face up and also softens that blush. And lastly, for my bindi, I'm using the same kajal as my bindi, and I'm also going to add some jewelry to amp up the look, because Indian look is never complete without some jewelry. And yeah guys, that's how my entire makeup look looks like. Oh my god, I absolutely love how my makeup looks like, especially my eye makeup. And yeah, definitely do try this out. It's a very classic look, very simple, goes with any outfit, any colored outfit. I absolutely love it. And look at my skin, you guys, it looks so beautiful. I mean, the products are so cheap. Like I'm not talking about the quality, but the price of the products are so cheap, but still it performed so great, and I'm so happy. I hope you guys also enjoyed this video as much as I did creating it. And don't forget to comment down below which was your favorite product, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I'll catch you all next time with another interesting video. Until then, you all know the drill. Keep slaying. I love you guys. Bye.